come around to say hello. One-on-one, I'm so fly. You took a nosedive. Careful when you play on my level. For you, it's so. Hey, hello.
Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Flip the script.
Hello, Moto.
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी जी, अब कुछ तो बात होगी। 12 करोड़ लास्ट टाइम 12 साल पहले 2013 में गिने गए थे जो कुंभ में आए थे, अब 63 करोड़। इज इट ओनली बिकॉज पॉपुलेशन इन इंडिया हैज इंक्रीज्ड? बिकॉज तहसीन पूनावाला इज सेइंग एज पॉपुलेशन इंक्रीजेस more and more people come to the Mahakumbh. So has the population increased at the level that we are seeing the increase in the number of devotees coming to the Mahakumbh? Number one question. And number two, what is the nervousness? When they raise questions about the RSS chief not being a Dalit, is there a sense of insecurity that Maharashtra, Haryana and Delhi will now be repeated in Bihar?
I would like to put the thing in perspective, because it's not just a slip of tongue or they have just said for the purpose of some political objective. This is a part of a sinister design. I would just put the facts and anybody of your viewers can go and check. Since last several years, you were finding that there was a religious freedom report about India, which was putting India in a critical state, very serious state about the minorities. Now it has come to the knowledge after the administration has changed in US that this report, whose chief was some lady, leftist lady of Indian origin, this was manipulated by the George Soros Foundation and they were deliberately giving report since several years. Now, come to the next point. In 2020, there was a Henry Luce Foundation, Henry L-U-C-E Luce Foundation, which has undertaken a project that how to defend the Muslims in the Hindu majority by the Hindu majoritarianism. So on 4th March 2020, they have taken up a project with support of around $4 lakh has been given just to prepare a report. And then they recommended that the caste issue should be taken up. Anybody can go and check that this was initiated in 2020 by the Henry Luce Foundation, and one Mr. Christopher Charlotte had said, he is a French so-called Indologist, and he said that the caste census should be taken up. And I challenge before 2020 if they can show Rahul Gandhi's any statement about caste and caste census. Then comes the next stage. 2021, there is a global summit in the various American universities supported by this nefarious design of Soros Foundation, etc., dismantling global Hindutva. Then comes 2023 when there is a proper conference in Tamil Nadu, eradication of Sanatan Dharma. Then comes demeaning and tearing apart of the Hindu religious scriptures and other things. And then comes the next stage which says that Hindus are virus, corona, bacteria, HIV, etc. Now comes the situation when Ram Mandir opens, then the same sort of people were giving all sort of abusive language. When this Kumbh Mela started, the statement of Akhilesh Yadav ji were कि पब्लिक तो आ नहीं रही है, सब गाड़ियां खाली हैं गोरखपुर से आने वाली. Suddenly they are saying that it has been jam packed, all the roads have having 25, 30, 40 kilometers jam, whether it is the Lucknow road or the Varanasi road or the Jaunpur road or the Mirzapur road or the Rewa road from Madhya Pradesh, etc. So it's very clear that in this entire perspective you see that it's very clear that those who are now trying to find out in the tragic incidents, not just the sensitivity, they are trying to find out the satisfaction, because they are hell-bent upon to eradicate the Sanatan Dharma. They are hell-bent upon to destroy the global Hindutva, and it is a part of international design. Now the facts are gradually coming up. Definitely they are nervous. I am not saying that everybody is knowing that they are the part of it. They may be a stooge. They are not knowing, some of them are maybe not knowing that how it is being operated. And lastly, I would like to ask Tehsin Bhai, I am from Uttar Pradesh. For around 40-45 years, continuous to aapki sarkar rahi. Sir, forget about SC, name even an OBC chief minister. Kindly let me know. And before we came into power, I would like to tell, Kalyan Singh ji became BJP's state president in 84. Uma Bharti ji became a very prominent leader in 89. Vinay Katiyar ji became Bajrang Dal chief in 86. ठीक, तो हमने तो आपको बता दिया, और 12 से अधिक हम आपने सीएम और डिप्टी सीएम ओबीसी के बता सकते हैं, बट आप कृपया ये बता दीजिए। और लास्टली मैं कहूंगा, आरएसएस कोई प्रिविलेज की चीज नहीं है। यू हैव टू सैक्रिफाइस एवरीथिंग। You will not marry, you will not have any job, you will not have even any source of earning. You will have to totally devote your life, and hundreds of RSS workers have put their life in danger working against the extremists, left-wing extremists, Christian missionaries, and would like to tell you, अब मेरी एक बात कान खोल के सुन लीजिएगा, the biggest organization working in Dalit Bastis इस सेवा भारती विच एन आरएसएस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। बताइए कांग्रेस का कौन है? शेड्यूल्ड ट्राइब्स के बीच में काम करने वाला सबसे बड़ा संगठन वनवासी कल्याण आश्रम विच इज एन आरएसएस आउटफिट। और दूसरा बताना चाहता हूं, विद्यार्थियों के बीच में सबसे बड़ा संगठन अखिल भारतीय विद्यार्थी परिषद। गांवों में वो ट्राइबल्स जो बच्चों को पढ़ा नहीं सकते, उनके बीच में काम करने वाला एकल विद्यालय, दैट इज एन आरएसएस आउटफिट। क्या बात करेंगे, पहले जाके समझे। दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग, डोंट fall prey to international nefarious design of dismantling हिंदुत्व और भारत के टुकड़े टुकड़े होने वाले ब्रिगेड के जाने में या अनजाने में हिस्से नहीं बनिए। एंड आई अर्ज ऑल द व्यूअर्स, मैंने एक एक फैक्ट कहा, अगर कोई फैक्ट गलत होगा तो मुझे बता देंगे।
करेक्ट,
तहसीन जवाब।
करेक्ट।
Yes.
Sudhanshu ji is one of the best BJP spokesperson. He's absolutely right on the Henry Luce report. Absolutely right. You're right. It was a report between Columbia University and Princeton University. You're right. The same Henry Luce Foundation is working pre and post 2020 on Mount Kailasha and the religious and a Himalayan range and the religious sites out there. If this organization was so banned, why didn't my honorable Prime Minister ban this organization? They're working on Mount Kailasha, the most devout site for any Hindu. Please, Sudhanshu ji, आप इसको Google कर दीजिए या आप Twitter पे गौर पे इसके देख लीजिए. Please, you may find this out. Second thing, please, Sudhanshu ji, the goalpost is not me. मैं तो खराब हूँ इसलिए आप सत्ता में. आप मुझे चलिए एक से 10 सेकंड और लेता हूँ आपकी इजाजत से, उससे ज्यादा नहीं लूंगा. आप मुझे, क्योंकि आप उत्तर प्रदेश से मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट है, आप मुझे कोई इंपॉर्टेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स बता दीजिए. डिस्ट्रिक्ट के एसपी कहां दलित भाई बहन हमारे हैं. आप मुझे वाइस चांसलर उत्तर प्रदेश यूनिवर्सिटी के बता दीजिए जहां हमारे दलित भाई बहन है. उनकी संख्या अनुसार दलितों को और ओबीसी को आरएसएस का प्रोग्राम है पीछे रखना. इसीलिए आरएसएस का संचालक कभी भी एक दलित व्यक्ति नहीं हो सकता और आगे भी होने की वो मुझे नहीं लगता कि कोई चांस है.
तहसीन भाई, you know, on this you have been rebuffed and you know literally shredded to pieces. How many Dalit prime ministers have you made? Why don't you tell? 60 years. How many Dalit chief ministers in Uttar Pradesh have you made? You know, let's not go like a broken record all the time. Sudhanshu Trivedi. Yeah, Sudhanshu ji.
Navika ji, just one. First, my dear friend Tehseen, you are a well-read person. Kailash Mansarovar is in India or is in China? तो कौन काम कर रहा है वहां पे?
उत्तराखंड.
And the Kailash Mansarovar is in China. How can India have been an operative position in that? And second thing,
I'll answer that.
I would like to tell you that राम मंदिर की जो पहली ईंट रखवाई गई थी 9th of November 1989 पूरी शास्त्रीय पद्धति से, जो 4 ईंटें रखवाई जाती जिनको नंदा, भद्रा, जया, पूर्णा कहते, उससे पहले 5th रखवाई गई थी. बिहार के एक एससी थे कामेश्वर चौपाल, जिनकी अभी डेथ हुई है कुछ दिन पहले. और तहसीन भाई जरा ये बताइए, व्हेन मनमोहन सिंह गवर्नमेंट रिजाइंड इन May 2015, कितने एससी कितने ओबीसी मिनिस्टर थे? आई चैलेंज तहसीन भाई, 2 नहीं बता सकते. Not even at 2 or 3 OBC ministers. There was only one OBC minister, that was Veerappa Moily. And look at the face of Rahul Gandhi. He talks about the secretaries. ये सुनिए, वाइस चांसलर्स. सर, सेक्रेटरी वाइस चांसलर कांग्रेस पार्टी का अध्यक्ष पद नहीं है कि पैदा होते ही हो जाएंगे. वो लोग वो हैं एट प्रेजेंट कैबिनेट सेक्रेटरीज 87 बैच. आई अर्ज यू, हाउ मेनी पीपल वर देयर इन 1987 वर इन IAS? You tell me. How many were the graduates? How many were the lecturers? अरे वही तो बनेंगे आके, जो 1987, 88, 90 में लेक्चरर बने होंगे, वो जाके अब बनेंगे. आपका रास्ता जरा बता दीजिए कितने थे. इसीलिए कह रहा हूं, वही आ गए हैं विदेश के षड्यंत्र में, जो उसने कहा है मुस्लिमों को कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करना हिंदू मेजॉरिटरिज्म में, उसके लिए कास्ट का इश्यू उठाना है. उसी हेनरी लूसी फाउंडेशन और जो ओपन सोसाइटी फाउंडेशन और यूएसएड जैसी संस्थाओं के द्वारा भारत में जो डिस्टरबेंस क्रिएट करने का प्रयास था, उसी एजेंडा का हिस्सा ये सारे स्टेटमेंट्स हैं।